Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create a digital poster in Canva. So here I am in my Canva homepage, and if you want to immediately create a digital poster from scratch, you can just click more right here, then you can type in digital poster right here, and then you can see some different options right here. And if you want to see some templates, so just click templates right here on the sidebar, and then just type in poster, and then you can see a bunch of templates right here for inspiration. And then you can search for more specific templates. So for example, like a dance poster, you can see right here some different templates that is related to dance. Or maybe you can search for dog poster, then you can see some posters right here related to dogs, or maybe like a hiring poster, then you can see some different options right here. So it really depends on what kind of template that you want to use. And then once you have chosen a template, you can just click on it, and then you can click customize this template. And then you can choose what kind of size you want your poster to be. So for example, A3, then click customize this template. Then I can just go ahead and edit this template to however I want. So for example, let's put in here engineer, software engineer, accountant, and then IT manager. So for example, right here, you can just go ahead and edit the template right here. So you can change the text, you can change the color, and so on and so forth. But if you want to create one from scratch, as I said earlier, you can just go right here to your home page, click the more right here, and then just type in poster. Then choose the size that you want to use. So for example, I want to use an A3 poster. Then I can go ahead and create a poster from scratch. Then from here, I can just go ahead and add my own elements. So for example, like a wave shape, then I can go ahead and choose some options right here. But if it has this crown icon, that means that you need to have a Canva Pro plan to be able to use this. So if you only have the free plan, you can just use the free graphics right here. So for example, I'll choose this one right here. So like that. I can choose another wave right here. Example like this. So it really depends on how you will edit your poster. So for example, I'll say dance lessons, adjust the text, then I can choose a specific template right here. I'll say maybe this one, like this. So just find a font style that you want to use. So maybe this one, want to use this. Then we can change the color so that we can see it clearly right here. For example, like this. Then you can just add your own graphics. So for the background color, I'll change it to something like this. Then I can add a dance graphic right here. Maybe I'll choose this one. Then you can go ahead and insert some other information right here. Location. And let's change the text right here. And then time. For example, for the location, I'll say like New York Theater, for example. Then I can adjust the font like this. And then like this. Then I'll say like 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then that is basically it. So example, this is an example of a digital poster. Then you can go ahead and just download this poster however you want. So just click share, click download, and if you want to print this poster, you can just choose PDF print since this is the best file type if you want to print a poster. Then click download. Then we'll just wait for it to finish. Then we have our file right here, which is our digital poster. And then that is basically it. So you just need to be creative in how you will create your digital poster. And then instead of creating one from scratch, you can also just use the templates right here. So that is it. So I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.